How can we sustain our resources at our current rate of food waste?
So we're talking specifically about food?
Yeah.
So the resources I'm assuming you're referring to is going to be about water?
Yeah, water and...
Okay, like water resources and fuel as far as transportation costs. So one of the things we could do is plant crops that are better equipped for the types of environments that they're grown in, so that we're not growing water-intense crops in very desert or drought-prone areas. Genetically modified organisms can also help with that by making plants drought-resistant. Purchasing food that is local, so not only are you supporting local economies, but you're also then reducing the amount of carbon emissions because you are, they don't have to travel as far to get from the farm to plate, so to speak. And as far as food waste, to eliminate food waste, is that what the question was? I'm sorry.
Or how can we sustain our resources, like,
okay.
at our current rate of food waste?
Oh, okay, so they were good there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the second question.
You're just recording just to get everything. This
Yeah.
is perfectly fine. We'll
Okay.
edit it when it gets to it.
What are the effects of food waste on the environment?
So obviously water use, like we just talked about a second ago, using excessive water to grow stuff that then may not actually be consumed by anybody, that's a problem. Energy is an issue. Decomposition, as you know, contributes to carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, which is a greenhouse gas. So we could find better ways to use food waste, whether it's to take them to composting facilities, then use that. People can then spread that on their gardens, their lawns. Farmers can use it in their fields. You also can feed that food waste to animals. Like I know the Smucker's canning, with the jelly up in Northern Ohio. They have a bunch of like food, like rinds and leftovers from the fruits and vegetables and whatnot, and you actually can feed those to things like ruminant animals like cattle, sheep, pigs. So that would keep it out of a landfill.
That's it.